Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to improve substation earthing. After watching this video you will able to know about substation earthing, design goals of substation earthing, requirements for improvement of earthing system, earth resistance and its specific value, improvement techniques of earth resistance and earth shell. Now first let's see what is substation earthing. The substation earthing system comprises of a grid that is earth mat formed by horizontal undergrounded conductors to ensure safe and reliable operation of substation. Because the safety and reliability are the two major concerns in the operation and design of electrical power system. These concerns also apply to the design of substation to ensure that substations are safe and reliable. The two main goals of substation earthing under normal as well as faulty conditions are to provide means to dissipate electric current into the earth without exceeding any operating and equipment limit, and to assure that a person in the vicinity of a grounded facilities is not exposed to the danger of a critical electric shock. Also, in order to properly plan and design the earthing grid, some calculations are required. That calculations are of maximum fault current, grid resistance, grid normal current, ground potential rise as well as touch and step potential levels. Now let's see the improvement of earthing system. To improve earthing system, the following points can be used. That low soil resistivity is to some extent tied to an electrolytic mechanism with such characteristics, and that characteristics are chemical composition, soil ionization, homogeneous grain size and even distribution of soil. These characteristics playing a large deciding factor due to its effect on the retention of soil moisture as well as packing density in the contact with electrode. These all requirements affect the value of earth resistance. So let's see what is earth resistance and what will be its specified value. Basically, the resistance offered by earth electrode to the flow of current into ground is known as a earth resistance, and obtaining a satisfactory earth electrode resistance has always been a problem in areas of poor soil conductivity. All over world, a substation required an earth resistance of 5 ohm or less than 5 ohm. So it is required to protection against lightning. So improving of earth resistance is always a challenge for a power system, and by improving earth resistance earthing system will automatically get improved. Now let's see how earth resistance can be improved. The earth resistance can be improved by providing earth pits at a proper position and always provide water to the earth pit. It can be also use bentonite powder, soft coal, black salt to improve the earth resistance. Also, the laying of copper grids, tapes and rods alone may be provide desired results. So by using these materials, specified resistance may be achieved. But due to some seasonal fluctuations in soil moisture, the resistance level may be varied. That is, in dry period, it is possible for the earth resistance to rise above the certain limit. This variation in earth resistance can affect the integrity of entire lightning protection system. So, suitable earth resistance cannot be simply attained by installation of standard gate. It requires some chemical compounds. Let's see earth resistance improvement by using chemical compound. This chemical compound consists of chemical solution of good electrical conductivity when it is mixed with a water. Then the mixture applied onto the earthing grid. Due to this, surrounding soil becomes a gelatinous mass forming an integral part of the overall earthing system. Some field tests have been shown that the high improvement in the earth resistance is obtained after applying such a compound to the high resistivity soil. That means after applying this compound, the earth resistance is improved to the very high value. This compound mainly a earth gel. Let's see what is earth gel. Earth gel comes in the kit form and comprises of a two 5 kg parts, which consist of a copper solution in one part and complex mixture of chemical in other part. The one advantage of this compound is that it will not wash or leach away like many other resistance improving mixture. So by using this compound, earth resistance can be improved dramatically. So in this way, we can improve system earthing by improving the earth resistance. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching and comment if you have any queries. Thank you once again.